Good afternoon, March 29th, 2016, and we're going to recap our E-mini trade today, but we're going to look at it a little bit differently. There are so many different ways to trade, and if you want to slow things down, we're going to show you a way that you can do it. This is a 5-minute chart. The most popular E-mini charts are 1-minute bars and 5-minute bar charts, and we're only going to trade with the long side of the market. We came in today, if the 20 area held, it was a low volume number on the longer term charts. We liked the long side because Yellen was going to speak, and we thought that the threat of her speech would keep the shorts out of the market. So the first trade, as we got into the E-mini, we tested, we got stops below 20. We were waiting for that. We got a green dot. We got a retest failure. And you could have been in this trade for the rest of the day. There was no reason to get out of it, but it gave you 4 points plus on that particular trade. When this green line crosses the blue, we no longer will take a short trade. We will only trade from the long side of the market. So this second trade is a monkey trade that puts you in on a buy stop right here. A 3-point stop. You would not have been stopped out on our usual 3-point stop, but the correct place for a stop is 3 to 5 ticks beneath that pivot bar's low. And if you hung into that trade and got out at the highs, you got 13 points on the trade. Next trade that's set up is another monkey trade, a B. It's got all the things going for it. It's got a square for deceleration. It's got a B underneath the bar. And if you traded this one, you held on for a long time, you got 10 points out of that. Then we go into chop into the close. Here's a B that gives you 1. Here's a B that gives you 2 if you trade it perfectly. So we had 5 trades for 21 points. 0 losers, ended up netting 21 points. So a real quick review is your stops are 3 points or 3 to 5 ticks below the pivots. Your trading objective are 7 to 10 points. Now on this 21 points, we only took 7 out of this, but 7 to 10 is there, and there were certainly 10 points there for you on a couple of trades, which would have added another 6 points to this, taking up to 27. So it's a good way to slow things down. It's a good way to trade with the trend. If you get the direction right, everything else falls out. If you'd like to know more about us, we'd like to invite you to our website for a free 5-day trial where we trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year bond, the 10-year note, and the E-mini. In that 5-day free trial, you'll see the methodology, you'll see the software, and you'll see me work all live, all real time, and you'll get the information you need to properly evaluate our services. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.